class 9 advanced maths. Now the chapter is inequality. Inequalities. Chapter is inequalities. Now exercise I am going to start. I have already started exercise 5.3. I have done question number 1 A and B to you. Now I am going to question number D, that is D, 1D. Here you see A cube plus B cube into A5 plus B5 greater than A4 B4. So here we will take the theory. It is a simple theory, that is arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. Now A cube plus B cube by 2 greater than equal to root A cube into B cube. So A cube plus B cube greater than equal to 2 root A cube into B cube. This is equation 1. Again, A5 plus B5. A5 plus B5 by 2 greater than equal to root A5 into B5. So A5 plus B5 greater than equal to 2 root A5 into B5. This is 5. So this is equation 2. Now 1 into 2. I am going to do 1 into 2. 1 into 2. 1 into 2. See, 1 into 2, it will be 1 into 2. Equation 1 into 2. This will be A cube plus B cube into A5 plus B5, that is greater than equal to 2 root A cube into B cube into 2 root A5 into B5. Now again A cube again A cube plus B cube bracket closed A5 plus B5 greater than equal to 4 root this will be A cube into A5. A cube into A5, that will be A8. B cube into B5, that will be B8. Now A cube plus B cube bracket close A5 plus B5 greater than equal to 4. This will be how much? A4 B4. This is proved. And now I am going to do question number G, 1G. 1G. That is, I have to prove A square B plus B square C plus C square A into AB square plus BC square plus CA square greater than 9A square B square C square. So see how I'm going to use only this is the theory. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. So here A square B plus B square C plus C square A by 3 is greater than equal to cube root A square B into B square C into C square A. So this will be A square B plus B square C plus C square A greater than equal to 3 cube root. This will be A cube, B cube, C cube. So A square B plus B square C plus C square A greater than equal to 3 ABC. This is equation 1. So for the second set, for this second set, I can directly write. This. That's AB square plus, I can write it directly, that AB square plus BC square plus CA square greater than equal to 3ABC. Question 2. Now 1 into 2. 1 into 2. This is A square B plus B square C plus C square A into AB square plus BC square plus CA square is greater than equal to 3 into 3, 9, A square, B square, C square. This is proved. Now, tell you I want to tell to the students of class 9 that question number C and question number E and F, these three questions are not, they do not obey this theory. Arithmetic mean is greater than equal to geometric mean. These three, this one, C and E and F, these three questions, we can't solve these three questions by the help of arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean. So I have not done here because this chapter is on arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean. So it will become a confusion for you. So I have not done these three questions. Now I am going to question number H. Your H. This is, we have to 1H, A4 plus B4 plus C4 greater than equal to A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. Again, I am going to take the help of this theory, arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean. So A4 plus B4 by 2 greater than equal to root A4 B4. So A4 plus B4 by 2 greater than equal to A square B square. So A4 plus B4 greater than, I can keep this like this only, it doesn't affect. This will be equation 1. So similarly I can write that B4 plus A4 by 2 greater than equal to B square A square. And similarly I can also write that C4 plus A4 by 2 greater than equal to C square A square, equation 3. Now I am going to add 1, 2 and 3 equation. I am going to add this 1, 2 and 3 equation. Now I am going to add this 1, 2 and 3 equation. 1, 2 and 3 equation. This will be A4 plus B4 by 2 plus B4 plus C4 by 2 plus C4 plus A4 by 2 greater than equal to A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. Now here 2 will be the LCM. Here you will get 2A4 plus 2B4 plus 2C4 and C4 greater than equal to A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. So here 2 is common, and 2 common, 2 and 2 cancels out. We get A4 plus B4 plus C4 greater than equal to A square B square plus B square C square plus C square A square. This is proved. Now I am going to another set. This is question number 1 set is over. Now I am going to question number 2. Question number 2, here you will see question number 2. Here it is given, question number 2, here it is given. ABC is greater than 0. We have to prove that AB by C plus BC by this plus this plus this is greater than equal to A plus B plus C. You have to prove this. Now again, it's the same theory I am going to apply. I am going to apply the same theory, that is this plus this divided by 2. Question number 2, I am going to prove this. AB by C plus BC by A plus CA by B greater than equal to A plus B plus C. I have to prove this. So again, same theory, arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean. AB by C plus BC by A by 2 greater than equal to root AB by C into BC by A. So AB by C plus BC by A by 2 greater than equal to CAA cancels out, BB cancels out, B square means B remains. Similarly, I can say here, this is equation 1. Similarly, BC by A plus CA by B by 2, this will be greater than equal to root BC by A into CA by B. See, BB cancels out, AA cancels, C square means C. So I get BC by A plus CA by B by 2 greater than equal to, this is, we get this is C. This is equation 2. Now, what I am going to do now, the third part is CA by B plus AB by C by 2 greater than equal to root CA by B into AB by C. BB cancels out, only A remains. So this will be equal to CA by B plus AB by C by 2 greater than equal to, here this will be A. This is equation 3. Now, if we add 1 plus 2 plus 3, if we are going to add 1 plus 2 plus 3, I will get 2AB by 2 plus 2 CA by C. I will get 2AB by C. See this one and this one. No, this one. No, this one. This one. This 2AB by C. Similarly, you see this 2BC by A, and this and this are the same. And the last is, you can see C2 this and this 2, this and this 2BC by A, and your last is on this and this 2CA by B. So what we are going to get, I'm going to write this line because it will give us problem. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 1, that is AB by C plus BC by A by 2 plus BC by A plus CA by B by 2 plus your last is CA by B plus AB by C by 2. You get greater than equal to A plus B plus C. Now you will find that here your LCM is 2. So here you see AB by C and AB by C. 2AB by C, BC by A, BC by A, 2BC by A, CA by B, CA, 2CA by B greater than equal to A plus B plus C. So here 2 is common, 2 cancels out. AB by C, BC by A, CA by B greater than or equal to A plus B plus C. This is here you see this is question number 3. Question number 3. See, it is given that A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 1 equal to P square plus Q square plus R square. You have to show that what we have to show that is AP plus BQ plus CR is less than 1. So you see what I am going to do here. Hint is given. You see hint is given. A square plus P square by 2 greater than this. Hint is given to you. So I am going to take the help of the hint. So what A square plus P square by 2 is greater than equal to greater than root A square P square. So A square plus P square by 2 is greater than AP. This is equation 1. Similarly, I can write B square plus Q square by 2 greater than BQ. This is equation 2. Similarly, I can write C square plus R square by 2 greater than CR. This is equation 3. Now I am going to add all this 1 plus 2 plus 3. I am going to add all this. So when I add, your LCM will be 2a square plus 2b square plus 2 1 minute, there is no, not 2, it will be LCM is 2, so a square plus b square plus c square plus p square plus q square plus r square, this is r square, is greater than AP plus BQ plus CR. This is. So here you see it is given that is A square plus B square plus C square equal to 1, P square plus Q square plus R square equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 greater than AP plus BQ plus CR. So 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2, 1 greater than AP plus BQ plus CR. Or I can write like this, or I can write it like this, AP plus BQ plus CR less than 1. So see, this has been proved here, less than 1. Proved. Now I am going to question number 4. Here you will see question number 4. Question number 4, see. If A, B, C are positive and mutually unequal, prove that this is greater than 6. So here it is 4, 1. A plus B by C plus B plus C by A plus C plus A by B greater than 6. We have to prove it. So same theory, arithmetic mean greater than equal to geometric mean, same theory I am going to use. So here I can write this A by C plus B by C plus B by A plus C by A plus C by B plus A by B. There are 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, divided by 6 greater than 6th root. 6th root, A by C into B by C into B by A into C by A into C by B into A by B. Here you see A cancels out, A cancels out, C cancels out, C cancels out, B cancels out, B cancels, only 1 remains. So this will become what? A by C plus B by C plus B by A plus C by A plus C by B plus A by B. This is greater than, by 6, this is greater than 1. So 6 goes there, and this I can again rewrite, this one I can rewrite like this. So A plus B by C, this 2, again plus this 2, I can rewrite it as B plus C by A, and this I can rewrite as C plus A, C plus A by B, and 6 goes to the right side greater than 6. So this is proved. Now I am going to another question. So now question number 2. We have to prove that A plus B plus C the whole square greater than 3AB plus BC plus CA. So see what I am going to do here. See, A square plus B square by 2 greater than root A square B square. So A square plus B square by 2 is greater than AB. Therefore, A square plus B square greater than 2AB. Similarly, I can write B square plus C square greater than 2BC. This is equation 1, equation 2. And again, similarly, I can write C square plus A square greater than 2CA. This is equation 3. Now, 1 plus 2 plus 3. This comes out to be 2A square plus 2B square plus 2C square greater than 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. So 2 common and 2 common cancels out. A square plus B square plus C square greater than AB plus BC plus CA. Now I am going to add plus 2. I am going to add plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Both sides, AB plus BC plus CA plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA, both sides. So this becomes A plus B plus C the whole square greater than C. 2AB plus AB, this is 3AB. Again BC plus 2BC, 3BC. Again CA plus 2CA, 3CA. So I can write A plus B plus C the whole square greater than 3, AB plus BC plus CA. Proved. Now the third is 4-3. Question number 3. 2A cube plus B cube plus C cube is greater than AB, A plus B plus BC, B plus C plus CA, C plus A. Now, see, the hint is given here. Most probably let me do it. So we know that this is a different type of question, I think so. A minus B the whole square is greater than 0. So A square minus 2AB plus B square is greater than 0. So A square minus AB plus B square is greater than one AB has been sent here, so greater than AB. Now multiplying both sides by A plus B, I'm going to write implies that A plus B, A square minus AB plus B square greater than AB, A plus B. So this becomes A cube plus B cube. This is the formula of A cube plus B cube. So A cube plus B cube greater than AB, A plus B. This is equation 1. Similarly, I can write B cube plus C cube greater than BC, B plus C, equation 2. Similarly, I can write C cube plus A cube greater than CA, C plus A, equation 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, this becomes C. 2A cube, 2B cube, 2C cube. So I can write common 2A cube plus B cube plus C cube greater than your AB, A plus B, BC, B plus C, CA, C plus A. Proved. This is proved. This four question, this one, it is fourth question is, fourth question, AB, A plus B plus BC, B plus C plus CA, C plus A less than 1 by 2, A plus B plus C. So now here the hint is given, see, hint is given. You have to show this one, AB by A plus B less than A plus B. So how can I do this? This can be done only one way, that is A minus B the whole square is greater than 0. So A square plus B square minus 2AB greater than 0. So A square plus B square greater than 2AB. Now one thing I can do, that is A square plus B square adding 2AB both sides greater than 2AB plus 2AB. So this is A plus B the whole square greater than 4AB. Implies that, implies that, implies that, implies that. So I can write A plus B into A plus B greater than 4AB. So here I can do one thing. This one A plus B, I am moving it to right side and 4 to the left side. So this will become A plus B by 4 greater than AB by A plus B. The format is AB by A plus B. So this is equation 1. Similarly I can write B plus C by 4 greater than BC by B plus C, equation 2. And similarly I can write C plus A by 4 greater than CA by C plus A, equation 3. So now 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, your 1 plus 2 plus 3, this comes out to be, LCM will be your, I can write A plus B by 4 plus B plus C by 4 plus C plus A by 4 greater than AB, A plus B, AB, A plus B. I can write it AB, A plus B plus BC, B plus A plus CA, C plus A. I can write this like this. So now this will become, this will become 4 LCM, 2A plus 2B plus 2C greater than AB by A plus B plus BC by B plus C plus CA by C plus A. So 2 common, here 2 common, and 2 common, that means A plus B plus C by 2 cancels out. AB by A plus B plus BC by B plus C plus CA by C plus A. So this I can write it like this also, that is AB by A plus B plus BC by B plus C plus CA by C plus A less than 1 by 2, 1 by 2, A plus B plus C.